Hello, welcome to this special edition of training. I am by name Solomon from Pundom Shark, and I am the lead consultant of Lead Magnet Academy Limited, and I am here to guide and to teach you how you are to sell your product in Facebook Marketplace. So many people have reached out to me that I should guide them on how to go about selling on Facebook Marketplace, and I feel it is important I make this tutorial so that a lot of people can benefit from it. So follow me gradually even as we proceed on how to go about selling on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing you do is to launch your Facebook app. I will advise that you use Facebook, main Facebook, that's the main Facebook, not the Facebook Lite, because it has a lot of things you can do and it has a lot of features. So as for me, I am using the main Facebook app, not the Facebook Lite. So once you log into your Facebook, the first thing you do is to click on this icon, here, the one with 3 dashes. So once you click on it, you come to Marketplace. Here is the Marketplace. So you click on your Facebook Marketplace. Once you are here, there are a lot of categories. There's a lot of classification that you can sell your products. So you can go to sell, or you go and check the categories they have. So we have the local listings here. So buy and sell groups. We have the buy and sell groups. We have sell events. We have saved items. Then the top categories, we have the vehicles, rentals, women's wear, men's wear, furniture, electronics, antiques and collectibles. So just go through it. These are the classification of which, if you really want to sell any product, once you come to this category, you know where your own belongs. So you can just go through it. But meanwhile, you're going to select the category that you want once you click on that sell icon here. So let's click on sell. You want to sell. So what do you want to sell? Create new listing. Is it items? Is it vehicles? Is it home for sale or event? Anyone you want, you just click on it. But I will go with items. So once you click on items, the first thing you need to do is for you to add photos of that product. So what do you really need first before you come to Marketplace to advertise? You can have a notepad, or you can use a Google Docs to type all that you need, so that once you come here, you're not going to waste a lot of time. Because once you stayed here for a long period of time without adding or finishing advertising your product, there is the tendency that your app will just lock you out. So what you need to do is to get your pictures ready, get your title ready already. You know your price, you know the category that your product belongs to, you know the description. These are the three major things that you need. You need the photos that you need to upload here. You need the title, then you need the description. These are the three major things that you need to get beforehand. So as for me, already I have those things in place. So what I need to do now is to add my photos. So as for me, I want to advertise Irish potato. So these are the pictures that I really want to use. Okay, so you click on it. Once you click, Then the next thing is title. So as for me, I've already typed my title and my description on my notepad. So let me go and copy my title and description. So here is my notepad. Okay, so you can see here I have already gotten a title for my advert. So you click on it, then you come here. This is my title: Fresh Irish Potato 50 kg bag, farm fresh, big size and best price. So you need to write something that will be that will suit the search engine optimization of Facebook, so that you have the tendency of being ranked high once someone is looking for Irish potato or any of the products you are selling. So this you need to have like a copywriting skill, or you need a blogging skill, search engine optimization skill to do that. So, but on a beginner level, you can type the title of what you really want to sell. There is nothing bad about that. So once you get your title, the next thing is your price. So I will use 75,000 for, or let me just use on a low key 65,000 for a bag. Then we go to the category. So once you go to category, you just scroll down and look for the one that will suit what you're selling. So as for me, I will come to classified under miscellaneous, as you can see it here. Okay, so I will click on miscellaneous, then I will come to the condition. I will click new. So as in your own case, you can use, if it is second-hand product you want to sell, you can use used like new, used good, used fair. So as for me, my own is new, farm fresh. Then for the description, I'll still go back to my notepad and copy my description for my Irish potato. So I will come here, highlight, and then paste. Easy peasy. There is no any waste of time. And if you really want an advanced training to teach you how to go about this writing of a thing, writing an SEO optimization, you can still contact me and I will professionally teach you how to go about that, because your description has a role to play in your advert. There are a lot of people out there that they really want to sell products on the Facebook marketplace. So once your own has a fully optimized and professionally written, with convincing and compelling sales script, then you have the tendency of selling more than the other person. So that is how it is. So for my own case, my description says get premium farm fresh Irish potatoes in a full 50 kg bag, perfect for homes, restaurants, caterers and food vendors who need quality and quantity at the best value. Our potatoes are large, clean, firm and long lasting, making them ideal for frying, boiling, roasting, chips and delicious meals. Come on, how do you feel this? Carefully selected to ensure high yield with minimal waste, so every bag gives you more profit, more meals. Big healthy potatoes, freshly harvested and well sorted, long shelf life, perfect for fries, chips and cooking, good for resale restaurants and bulk buyers, limited fresh stock available. So order now. So order now before price changes. Message now for fast delivery. So once you are having difficulty in writing your description, there is an AI icon here that can help you. But then you know that it is not going to be as authentic as your own, the one that you have your voice written on it. But then you can try it. I have never tried that, so it is a new feature. So you can try it and see what it gives you. Once it suits what you want, then fine. Then for the location here, then you choose your location. As for me, my own is Jos, so maybe I'll leave the Jos entirely. Let me just leave the Jos. Let me leave Jos. I don't need to change my zip code. So is there auto reply available message that you want? Yes, it's very important because there are some people that will likely come to your DM. So once they send you a message, there is a message that you're supposed to reply them, so that it doesn't look like as if you're not online. So you just drop something for them that they can read. Meanwhile, whenever you are online, you can still reply them. So the auto reply to availability messages, it says save time by letting Meta AI automatically reply to is this still available, is this still available, messages and similar. So this is the Meta reply. Yeah, I still have the potatoes. Want to know more? But as for me, I'll make a little adjustment here. So I'll say, yeah, I still have the Irish or just plateau potatoes. Irish potatoes. Let's say, kindly, or let me say, for immediate order, kindly call me on 08066487726, or you can drop your phone number or WhatsApp number to enable me call you once I am online. Thank you very much. So once you have typed your auto reply, then the next thing is the listing options. So the listing options says more ways to help you sell. There are some people that they want to sell their product, but then they don't want their friends to know about it. So if you don't want your friends to know about it, you can click on hide from friends. But if you don't want to hide it, you can leave it. Even your friends, your relations will know about the advert. So you can leave it like that, so that if there is any among your friends that really wants what you're selling, some of your friends that really wants to patronize their own, they can buy. So you don't need to hide that. So the next is list in more places. Do you want to advertise your products to some groups that you belong to? If you want, then you can pick the ones you want. You can pick as many as you can. But as for me, I don't want to advertise in any group. So additional listing options. You click on it and see what you can do. If there is still additional information you want to add to it, like tags, the location, your SKU is optional, only visible to you. So this SKU is to help you know the number you attach to your product. So as for the tags, you can add tags so that it will help you reach more people. So as for me, I would set Irish potato, add sweet potato, give space, click on next line, then I'll write plateau potato, then I will add snacks, I will add breakfast, then I think it's okay. I'm okay like this. Then there is another one here. Availability. You click on it and check the options. List as in stock, list as single item. So just click as list as in stock. Then public meetup, meet a public location, do pick up, do drop off. So you can pick the three. If the person wants you to deliver somewhere, you are still good to go. If they will come and pick up, or you want to drop it to them to their doorstep, fine. You can still do that. If you really want to do it, you can activate it. You can still offer shipping. Yes, it's very important. Anywhere you are outside the country, even within the country, you can still send it as far as it's going to reach there fresh. So you activate the necessary buttons. So once you're done, you click on next. List in your groups. No, I don't want that. I don't want to list in any of my group. So the next thing to do is publish. Once you have published, then you wait for it to publish. So you can see here that it's under review. What you have advertised is under review, so you should wait for the review. If there is anything wrong with your advert, Facebook will not approve it. But if everything is okay with your advert, they will just approve it. So that is how to advertise on Facebook Marketplace. So you can come here and click on notify me when this listing is visible to others, so that anytime Facebook approved your advert, you will get to be notified. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can either drop it on the comment section or you send me a chat.